Hey guys, welcome back to Bougie Palettes. My name is Honey and today we are having Jamaican food, guys. I am so hungry, so excited, so we're gonna get right into the video. I have a Jamaican pineapple. I usually get the ting, but today I wanted to get the pineapple. I like the pineapple too. I would pour it for y'all, but I don't think I can. Let's see if I can. Nope, can't lift it. That hurts. Alright. Oh my god, it smells so fruity and so good. So opposite of Fanta, which I love me a Fanta pineapple. Alright guys, so I have oxtail, rice and peas, jerk chicken, like a cornbread souffle, plantains, and a few pieces of curry shrimp. So we're gonna eat good, y'all. Alright, let's get started. And I got this from Taste and Spicy. Hold on, I'm gonna get the menu. I don't know if y'all can see the steam. This piece has shrimp on it. When I tell y'all I love me some Jamaican food, like love it. Okay. Y'all wanna try some jerk chicken? The jerk is chopped up into pieces. And I'm not usually into pulled meat. I like to pull my own meat apart. But this is good. It has enough heat not to test my heat gangster too much. Like it's the perfect amount. My family ate it while they were here and they couldn't handle it. Comment below if you like your rice wet or dry. Like, do you like them to put a lot of the juice on it? I like mine dry. I don't know why. This is so good. I can't even move on. I went in there and I was like, I want everything. They haven't been open that long, and I really wanted Alicia to try it, but they usually close at like 4. I think they may have changed their hours though. So Alicia couldn't make it in time. I know it's weird to get french fries, but why are their french fries so bomb, y'all? Look at the color on this. They are in, I think it's considered Lawrenceville, Georgia. Right outside of Atlanta. It's all Atlanta if you ask me. Okay, what do I want? Y'all want some oxtail? Let's eat some oxtail. I wash my hands here. Look how pretty that is. I was going to pour the sauce over it, but I don't want this to be messy. Let me get some sauce. I don't even know if this was supposed to go in there, and I'm just pouring it. It's going today. Where was that piece I was eating, y'all? We're just going to try this one. They're so tender. I wish y'all can have some. So fun fact, I almost married a Jamaican man. We were together and lived together for about 4 years. Basically all through my college years. Great guy. We still text to this day. I want to say he just got married a couple of months ago. So anyway, during that time, I never had to buy Jamaican food. He was a cook. His family cooked. I never cooked a day in my life throughout college. Not one time. I didn't start cooking until I moved back from China. Like, after we separated, we didn't have beef with each other. We had beef, like, with other things. I know that doesn't make sense, but roll with it. And, yeah, so when we separated, I knew I was moving to China, so I figured that would have been a good clean break, you know? I'm trying not to get full off this rice. That's why I only put a little on my plate. And then when I moved back, I was like, well, how you gonna eat, chick? You better learn to cook fast. And my parents were weird. I come from a family of great cooks, but they didn't teach us. They didn't want you in the kitchen unless you're cleaning it. And even then, they're gonna clean behind you. Comment below if you were put in the kitchen or were your meals just prepared for you. Like, they didn't want us to cook, do laundry. Basically, they didn't want us tearing up their stuff. I think that's what it was. I don't think I learned to wash clothes until I was in college. Yeah, the week before I moved to Atlanta, my mom's baby sister taught me how to do laundry. And cooking came natural, like natural. Your girl can throw down. So when my family came, they wouldn't try like a lot of new foods. Y'all know they were here from Thanksgiving to New Year's. They wouldn't try a lot. They tried this place and was like, and I know this place is good. They couldn't take the spice of the chicken. And today it's not really hot. So I'm happy. Like, it's perfect. Where was I going with that? It's so good, it's making me lose my thought. This is amazing. Oh, that's where I was going with that. While they were here, they made me cook. Not made me cook, but the little time I did have with them, I was able to cook a few meals, and they loved every bit of it. I cooked all of Thanksgiving, and then the Christmas they wanted a rerun. So, and then all the little meals in between. I made some curry chicken while they were here, and they smashed it. So I never buy curry chicken when I go to Jamaican places because I just feel like I make it so good. Curry shrimp too, but today I just couldn't resist it. So my ex, watching him over the years make it, I was able to pick up a few things. So when I did start cooking, that was all I could make was Jamaican food. I don't know. Oxtail might be one of my favorite meats. Like, if I had to choose steak over oxtail, I think I would be team oxtail. I might have to go get more of my rice. I wish I could find these French fries in real life. They're like battered French fries. And while I was in there getting my food, I told her one day I was going to come back and do a food review with Alicia. And, excuse me. But when she found out I was doing YouTube, she was like, Do you know that lady? Y'all already know who she was talking about. The one that eat all that food? B-Love. She's going to be in Atlanta in May at the Tyler Perry, the last Medea. If you guys have seen her videos, she mentioned it. That was a bomb bite. So I was thinking about going, but I've seen a few of the plays and I really like them, but I don't think I want to see another one. Because before I lived right on the same block as the Fox Theater, and now I don't. So I'm thinking about the drive, the commute, the everything, the parking situation. I think I'm out on that. Speaking of which, Super Bowl and ATL, y'all. It's so packed out here. People have been here all week doing all the NFL live activities. And we tried to see, like my kid, he's into certain sports. I mentioned that in my last video. So I was like, you want to go? He was like, no, honey, I just want my own private time. In other words, he wanted to come home and play with his toys and games. He didn't want to go. I don't know what's up with these kids in private time. I didn't have private time. Oxtails have like this weird gummy part, and I love it. I can't describe it. It's like a weird white. I love it. All right, y'all, let's try this plantain. I always try to eat plantains last because they're so sweet and dessert-like. Very good. Spent my whole life hating plantains until I came to this place. My parents did like the plantains, though. Let's get into this cornbread. It's bomb. Like bomb. And I'm one of those Southern girls that thinks their family makes the best cornbread in the world. Yeah, this is bomb. I've never seen Jamaicans make cornbread in my life. That's why I didn't want to eat it, because it's like dessert. I gotta stop. If you're in Atlanta, the go-to Jamaican food spot is, say it with me, guys, Chef Rob's. Everybody raves about Chef Rob's. And it's bomb. It's really, really good. But I definitely like this place better. All right, let's take another bite of this cornbread. This is a blessing. I promise y'all, I feel so blessed in this moment. I got a million problems going on in my head. They all went away. In this moment, I can care less about work and everything else. And she usually has a bomb strawberry shortcake. Like, picture the Good Humor strawberry shortcake bar, but as a cake. I didn't see it today. I should have asked. When I pulled off, I was like, God dang it. I wasn't turning back around. I want to keep eating, but I want to be selfish and save a little corner for later. Because I know I'm going to be working till midnight and I'm going to get hungry again. Should have said this earlier in the video. Congrats to everyone who hit their milestones. By the time I'm speaking it, because I know by the time this video comes out, they will have hit it. I think Trump Queen was at 10K. Casey should be at 50K. Steph and Taj, they're just killing it. They're probably at like 75K. Love it. Or 85. Can't remember. Prayers for TNLE TV. I did donate on behalf of our channel. I hope you guys do the same. It's just very tragic. Can you imagine waking up and losing everything? I have a problem with taking on other people's feelings, what they're going through. I said I wasn't going to keep doing that, but congrats to Bougie Palettes. I'm going to speak it in existence that we too will have 1,000 subscribers eventually. It has been the longest process. The longest, but he must be preparing me for something great. But at the end of the day, can I really handle it? I mean, your girl works 7 days a week. Can I really handle 10,000, 100,000 subscribers? Can we? Not I. We? Because it's a team over here. Try me, Lord. Try me. Let me see how I do. Shouts out to Sweet and Spicy Jamaican restaurant, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Hopefully you see this video. It was fantastic. It was amazing. I am super duper happy inside. I definitely will be back for the red snapper really soon. And that cake, that yummy cake. If you are in the Atlanta area, I hope you guys do try them out. Look them up. It's just so good. I can't even think. I wish I can go to sleep, but I gotta work. So I will see you guys in the next video.